Aloha, we need everyone's help in honor of those who died in the Maui fires, uniting in Aloha to do the one thing that they would want for us, to slow down and be grateful for this breath of life that we received, so that we can rise up in hope together, like this tree that still stands as a ray of hope amidst all of the fear and the destruction. So please join us in slowing down our breathing and feeling a giant wave of hope rise up on the inhale, to then release any excess fear and tension on the exhale and relax into that hope in the flow of Aloha's wave stream of life. Let us please just take some slower, longer, more relaxed breath in hope together. Let us feel our connection in mind, body, and spirit in Aloha with each other and the source of these waves of instant change that we must let rise and fall as they do. For our inhale is more fear and tension response, to get the hope of our relaxing breath on the exhale. And may we always settle into that hope and relaxation wave for longer, to come from that place of Aloha, so that we can optimize our health and our happiness and our unity, our love, together. We hope that all of you will join the One Hope Wave Challenge, starting from the inside, so that we spread a giant wave of hope and relaxation to Maui and all the nations, as the single most important thing that we can ever do for ourselves, for our family, for our human family. We love you, Maui. We are here to rise up together, just as this palm tree gives us a beacon and a wave of hope. So please, join the One Hope Wave Challenge and breathe in a big wave of hope, and release any excess fear and tension on the exhale. Choose hope over fear, and relax and love in Aloha those we hold dear.